kingdom of the heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything he had and bought it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you've been enjoying the video so far. I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I am joining with my lovely sisters of the Heavens Pearls. Now, we're a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers. We come together every month and bring you a different video with a different message, and we do everything that we do for the glory of God. Now, for the next 3 months, we're going to be bringing you a closed collaboration, and the series that we will bring you is called The Seasons of Change. Now, the scripture reference for all 3 months will be Ecclesiastes 3:1, and it reads, "There is a time for everything and a season for every activity under the heavens." Now, our message is that we hope as we move through the changing seasons, this scripture will remind us that God knows what is best for us and that He wants us to trust Him in all things and at all times. And we should take comfort in knowing that time and seasons have all been foreordained by God. Also, we wanted you to know that we are celebrating our 2-year anniversary. In July, it was 2 years ago, in July that we brought you the I Can't Breathe collaboration. And in honor of our anniversary, we are linking the original playlist down in our description box. And we hope that when you have time that you will go and visit that playlist. And we really thought that we brought a powerful message, and we hope that you think so too. Also, I've left links to all of the ladies' channels down in my description box, along with the playlist for our new series. Now, also, I always like to share with you why I chose the colors that I did for the video. Now, this is a fall themed video, but I went with gold. Gold is a fall color. However, gold also represents the glory of God, also stands for His divinity, His kingship, also stands for His majesty, His holiness, and His righteousness. All right, guys, so thank you again for watching. Please go and visit, like I said, all of the ladies. You'll find links to their channels in my description box. And if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll decide to subscribe today. And please go and visit my other channel, DIY Design by CCW, where I created a lot of the items that you see in this tablescape, and also the Glam Décor channel. Now, thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.